Hey guys, welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to talking about try, except and finally block together. The try statement in Python can have an optional finally clause. This clause is executed no matter what and is generally used to raise in external resources. Let's suppose we have some kinds of graphical user interface applications and we may connect our remote data centers to the network or working with a file. So in these scenarios, we must clean up the resources once we used. Let's just see how we utilize that resource in our try, except and finally. Here we have try block. Try here is print a. Okay, now here we have except block, and inside this except we are printing that something is wrong. Okay, this is except block because here I'm just raising like exception right here. Okay, and now let's just come to the finally block. Inside this finally block I'm just printing that the try, or sorry for that, and here is right try and except is finished right here. Let's just see. Here I am raising an error right here, which is a. Then here you can see that is printing that something is wrong just because of a is not declared inside the scope. Then you can see that after this we have something finally block is also running right here, which is showing me the message here, which is try and except is finished here. Let's just see now again. Here I just write a, which is equal to 15. There will be no error right here. You can see that run. So our try is okay, except is okay. So you can see a try and exception is finished right here. You can see now that how we can run a message right here. One another program, what I'm just going to show you guys, which is, let's suppose we have the try statement. Okay, now let's suppose we have write that b, which is equal to, I'm just running the open function right here and I just want to open something to it. Let's suppose text.text, which is my file right here. Okay, so here at that stage we didn't have any of the saved file inside that. Now after this you can see that here I will run a finally statement. Okay, and the finally block here is b dot closed. Hope so you understand now. Run this code. So you can see here, firstly we didn't available this file into that, so that will raise an exception right here. Then you can see here that close b is already defined, so yes, or b is not defined inside this scope right here. Hope so you understand now that how this exceptions create an error right here, which is a try block and final block. If this file is available inside this directory, so there will be generated no error right here. Hope so you understand now. If you find any other problem and you cannot understand any of the point right here, please let me know, and thanks.